Our solar system seems complete. 8 planets, locked in a stable, predictable dance. But what if that picture is wrong? For centuries, astronomers have been haunted by phantom worlds, lurking just beyond our view. These cosmic ghosts were invented to explain the bizarre orbits of other planets, and the hunt for them reveals one of science's greatest stories, a quest to understand our place in the universe. The hunt for Vulcan. Our story begins in the mid-19th century, when Mercury, the fastest planet, refused to obey Isaac Newton's laws. Its orbit wobbled, a tiny discrepancy that posed a universe-sized problem. The French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier was on the case. Years earlier, he'd used mathematics alone to predict the existence of Neptune by studying Uranus's wobbly orbit. He had discovered a planet with the tip of his pen. Confident he could do it again, Le Verrier proposed another hidden planet, Vulcan, orbiting between Mercury and the Sun, giving Mercury an extra gravitational tug. The only problem was that looking for a planet so close to the Sun is nearly impossible. Then, in 1859, an amateur astronomer claimed to see it, a small, dark spot moving across the Sun. Le Verrier triumphantly announced Vulcan was real. But for the next 50 years, all sightings were fleeting and couldn't be confirmed. Vulcan remained a ghost. The solution came not from a telescope, but from a complete reinvention of gravity. In 1915, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity described gravity not as a pull, but as a warp in the fabric of space and time. His new equations predicted Mercury's orbital wobble perfectly. The immense curve of space-time around the Sun was the cause. No secret planet needed. With a single calculation, Einstein didn't just overthrow 2 centuries of physics. He destroyed a planet. A pattern of phantoms. Vulcan wasn't the only ghost. Another was Theia, a proposed Mars-sized world that slammed into a young Earth. The debris from that collision is believed to have formed our moon, a permanent reminder of a lost world. A more direct sequel to Vulcan's story began with the hunt for Planet X. In the early 20th century, astronomer Percival Lowell was convinced that wobbles in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune pointed to a hidden 9th planet. In 1930, years after Lowell's death, a young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh found it, Pluto. But Pluto was tiny, far too small to affect the gas giants. So what caused the wobbles? Decades later, data from the Voyager 2 spacecraft revealed the truth. Astronomers had simply miscalculated the mass of Neptune. With the correct number, the irregularities vanished. Planet X, like Vulcan, was a phantom born from imperfect data. But this mistaken search led to an incredible discovery: the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy worlds, of which Pluto was just the first. The modern ghost, the search for Planet 9. Today, the biggest planetary manhunt in a century is underway. In 2016, Caltech astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin noticed something strange in the most distant reaches of the Kuiper Belt. A group of small, icy worlds have bizarrely aligned orbits, all swinging out in the same direction. Their solution? A new Planet X, nicknamed Planet 9. Their calculations suggest a world 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, on a huge, elongated orbit that lasts up to 20,000 years. This hypothesis explains the clustering, but just like with Vulcan, there could be other explanations. A definitive answer is coming. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, beginning its survey in 2025, is a Planet 9 discovery machine. It will either finally find the planet, or its absence will force us to rethink the dynamics of our solar system all over again. From Vulcan to Planet 9, the search for hidden worlds is a story about how we know what we know. The ghost of Vulcan gave us something more important than a planet. It proved Einstein's general relativity. The phantom Planet X led us to Pluto and the entire Kuiper Belt. These weren't just errors, they were signposts pointing toward deeper truths. They show that in science, even looking for something that isn't there can lead to the most profound discoveries. Our map of the cosmos is never truly finished. There are always more shadows to explore. The story of these ghost planets shows that science is a human process of mistakes and breathtaking breakthroughs. If you love these stories of cosmic discovery, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next journey into the universe's greatest mysteries.